The Scope tab allows you to identify the population and/or sample used in the research being evaluated. Note, if the research you are reviewing is another literature review, then this tab will not apply. To add scope to your review, click the plus icon below the Quantity and Scope Type section of the Scope tab. Enter the quantity. This field only allows numeric values. Then enter the type of population. Example, quantity equals 100 and type equals female. Select the plus icon to add additional scope items. Repeat this as many times as needed to identify the population and sample. The notes section can be used to further clarify the population. Example, the participants of the study were from a university in northeastern United States.